Did you know you can create amazing cinematic video without a camera, without shooting and without hard work? You only need to write a text prompt. Want to know the AI tool that most people still don't know? Watch this video until the end. I will explain everything step by step. Today we are talking about Runway Gen-2. It is one of the best AI video tools. It can turn simple text or even a photo into a cinematic video. First, open the official website and create a free account. It only takes a few minutes. Now click on Gen to text to video. This is where you create your video. Here is a pro tip. Don't use simple prompts like a dog running. Instead, write prompts like a cinematic lighting, 4K resolution, drone shot, realistic. These words help the AI create much better and more professional video. Now click generate. In a few seconds, your AI video will be ready. There is another powerful feature called image to video. Upload any normal photo and the AI will turn it into a moving scene. It looks like a professional movie with almost no effort. The best part is you don't not need to download any software. Just open your browser and search for runwayml.com. It is a web based platform, so everything works directly online. Is it free or paid? The answer is both. When you create a new account, you get free credits. You can use those credits to create your first video without paying anything. If you want more videos, you can upgrade to a plan paid. Try this AI tool today. It can save you a lot of time. For more useful AI video, don't forget to subscribe to OmniTools AI.